Activity 11.5, area by tiling. This activity is designed to get students to think about the concept of area. If you remember for perimeter, I told you it's a good idea to have your students trace the outside of the shape. For example, a rectangle. The area, it's a good idea to have them fill in the shape to get the concept of area across. This rectangle didn't print correctly the size, so I uploaded a second one, and you take 1 by 1 inch squares, which are the orange pattern blocks, and you will have students go ahead and fill in a rectangle. So by filling it in, and this is also done well on group paper, graph paper, so they can actually count how many 1 by 1 squares will get. And this is a much closer fit than the one in our activity. So I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 squares. So it's sketched out here. Estimate, not involved, exact. Roughly, I can fit 12 on there. Inside the rectangle. How many squares does it take to tile the rectangle? It will take 12. The area of the square pattern block is 1 inch squared. What is the area of the rectangle? It would be 12 inches squared. The area model or the rectangle model was a model for multiplication as well. So in multiplication, you use that area model for a faster way of counting the inside of this rectangle. As opposed to counting my 12 squares separately, I can say that I have 2 on this side, I have 6 on that side, and 2 times 6 is 12. So if I have a 1 inch square, which is our square pattern blocks, 1 by 1 would give me 1 inch squared, because I'm multiplying 1 inch times 1 inch. 1 times 1 is 1, an inch times an inch is an inch squared. 2 times 6 is 12, inch times inch is inch squared. Read the rest and fill out how many of the squares you get in these rectangles, and then at the very bottom, you want to get the concept across of the area of a rectangle. So length times width is probably what you were taught, what I was taught, but all the other area formulas use base and height. So we're going to say that the is opposed to using length and use base. The area of a rectangle is base use height, and all the other formulas for area we're going to look at are going to be based on this formula that the area of a rectangle is base use height.